Phase alternators are. So here fault analysis of alternator, we are going to study two experiments. One is the sequence impedance of the alternator, and based on the sequence impedance of alternator, we can find out the fault analysis with the three-phase alternator here. So for the case, if we are studying the fault analysis, we should know about the sequence impedance of the transformer. The sequence impedance is nothing but the x1, x2, x0. So positive, zero, negative sequence is going to first find out the alternator. Then based on those values, we can cross verify with the fault analysis. So whatever the measured current we have taken from here, this current will be mathematically proven with the based on the sequence impedance. So these two things we are going to ultimately study over this kit. So first one is sequence impedance, second one is fault analysis. Okay. So here fault analysis, here the construction of this model kit is entirely for one variable frequency drive we have provided here. This is for running for the prime mover application, prime mover running. So generally we are using the machine lab, we are using the DC motor for the prime mover application. So here we are control the similar thing for we can't get the DC supply now. So direct our single phase supply will give given the input of the VFD, that single phase supply will convert it internally to DC. Again it will give the inverter function for AC supply to the prime mover. So this is a simple inverter. Variable frequency drive is a simple inverter only. So whatever give the single phase supply, it will internally converted to DC. That DC will be again converted to three phase AC here. Okay. So for the variable frequency drive, this is V by F control. Generally in power electronics, power drives, you can study about the variable frequency control of the AC induction motor like that. V by F method, V and F method, sine period method. So number of methods are available. So this drive entirely function based on the V by F control. So whatever you increase the frequency, sine frequency reference here, the output voltage as well as speed of the prime mover will be increasing. So ultimate function for the VFD is like here we are instead of the starter we are using this VFD. That's it. So prime mover, variable speed only we are using for the drive. So first part here. So again second one is we are using one variable DC source, this one. So this will be function for the two applications. One is the sequence impedance. Sequence impedance time, we are injecting the single phase AC supply to the winding. They depends on the positive, negative, zero sequence. So okay, we are injecting the single phase AC supply to the winding. We can measure the impedance value of the alternator here. So at the time it will be used for the AC supply application. Again similarly for fault analysis condition, we are run the machine. Generate the voltage by injecting the field excitation voltage here. So far this auto transformer commonly used for AC supply as well as DC supply here. So if you want the AC supply at the time of sequence impedance measurement time, you can take out the provisions here, variable AC source 0 to 231. So this AC source is commonly connected with here. So at the time don't chart these two things, because at the time DC supply is not required for us. Only generation time only DC field excitation must be needed. At the time only we are shorted here. Say sequence impedance time we are using only for AC supply only. We taking from the AC supply only here. So first thing. So for this is a sequence measurement for using the AC source here. Another one. So here we are using current limiting resistor here. Generally we are shorted by direct wire to be shorted for LG fault, LL fault means the current will be infinity at the time. We can protect the alternator. That at the case only we are using seriously one resistor for limiting the high excess in current. So the condition we are using this current limiting resistor for limit the excess current for the alternator here. So we are using the current limiting as one of the current limiting resistors here. So our alternator side, the complete terminals are also open up here. So these two terminals for field excitation of the alternator here, field excitation, and these all the terminals for the starting and finishing winding of the alternator at the ROB phase. We are additionally provide one more pair of the connectors here, internal looping connector. These lines are showing internally they are connected here. Suppose you are going to measure one phase or parallel you are using 2 or 3 connectors at the time, it will be not sufficient for the operating time. So students can get some struggle. That's why we are additionally provide a connector. So in case already one number of patch card is connected here, again the same point you are going to need enough. At the time you can parallelly use it here. Both will be same only. So similarly for the finishing winding also. So here for creating the motor in the delta configuration, like you already know the thing. So finishing winding to starting winding, again finishing to starting winding. So this to be connected delta configuration. In the star configuration, all are looped here. So similarly, you can simulate the entire thing for this kit. You can externally only simulate. So all the accessories are available here. Whatever. Instead of this motor, you can use for some other application. Only studying of the variable frequency drive only you are going to study now. You give simple supply here, and this instead of this prime mover supply now, just remove this wire. You are connecting additional external motor here. Load test. You can study the load test. So this drive is internally connected for the closed loop function. This drive is internally working for the closed loop condition. There is no feedback is required for this condition. This is only based on the voltage based. This will be closed loop functions happening inside this drive. You can study the students. You can simulate the VFD for VFD, how the VFD was running. You can simulate the external condition. You can replace the motor. You can utilize for some other application also. You can use it here. So similarly, for you want the voltmeter means you can use the voltmeter terminal here. Ammeter means ammeter terminals here. So DC source, you need the DC source means you can directly use the DC source here. So AC source, whatever thing you can use, anything you want to external, anything you want to go into study, anything you want to test about regarding this and anything you need, you can always utilize all the things for external also. This is a user friendly. We can design these things. So whatever you need, you can utilize from this kit. It is a possible one. All of them will be protected here. How I say now, this VFD output will be seriously put on fuses here. Series fuses here. Similarly, for this input of this auto transformer will be given by through one fuse here. So suppose they are in what I faced in summer. Actually, this is your syllabus. Now, on the region, this is the syllabus. Number of colleges are previous year they are purchased. At the time, what they are doing here, they are giving the DC supply. They forget about the how to function it. They are started here. Again, they are giving the AC supply to here like that. Like that, they are started. So at the time, the variac will burn. Because of AC supply, ground is different. So this will get damaged at the number of times. So this is the ultimately we are known about the function of before the switch on the skip. These things are we are known about the because of AC supply only for sequence impedance. DC supply only is for fault analysis. So these two things ultimately we known about before on the kit. So afterwards only we are put a series fuse for this for safety purpose. Series this input will seriously give through this fuse only. Okay, we additionally put one fuse for it. So total 4 fuses are given. So 3 is for prime mover output, so prime mover input. 1 is for this AC supply. Input of this AC.
Induction motor.
This is the induction motor, the prime mover side. This fuse. This we have the output through fuse only here. Okay. Similarly for this one will be input. This is input will this input will taken from this here. The fuse through the fuse only its input will be given. Okay. These are the things. So similarly for you are not going to take any tachometer for measuring the speed here. We internally put a digital speed indicator, detected speed indicator. So whatever the speed will be displayed here, motor speed here. So you can take the readings and you can cross verify whatever the things. But we have provided advanced things and we have provided some things for here. So running time. So these are the things. Actually that hard copy was missing here. Suppose missing, you can take out the number of readings and use it with the cross multiplication with the mathematical formulas. Even also we are providing the formulas also inside. All the formulas are we have provided in this manual. So sample readings are these are all the sample readings. We are given this setup for the V8 Velour Institute of Technology.
Okay.
So that manual only I will download. The recent manual is not available in my mail.
Okay.
So this is the old one only. So whatever the things are available here, sequence, same. Only the concept configurations are always changing. So 2 phases are shorted here. And the play across any 2 phase. Here. Before that, creating a star configuration.
మూడు ఫేజెస్ని స్టార్లో కనెక్ట్ చేయాలి. ఆ 3 జాయిన్ అయిపోయినాయి. ఇది మిగతా 3 ఉంటాయి కదా, అవి పైన టీ తీసుకుంటారు. కింద 3టిని జాయిన్ చేసినారు ఒకటే పాయింట్కి.
ఇప్పుడు అది గ్రౌండ్
న్యూట్రల్ పాయింట్
అదే గ్రౌండ్ సపరేట్గా
పాయింట్ అదే గ్రౌండ్ అది. మీటర్
సిరీస్లో పెట్టాను.
So as for this circuit, so one phase is already field winding shorter.
Okay.
So secondary winding So finishing going to be neutral here. We are cutting the neutral point here. Neutral. And A means R phase, B means Y phase here. So R and across R and Y phase, we are giving the input of the single phase supply through the ammeter. So this is the single phase supply. The phase will be given to the ammeter, series to ammeter. Phase will be variable to ammeter to one end of the R phase here.
the ammeter.
Ammeter, series to ammeter here. So the R phase here. So across two phases, we get the voltage here. So
This is the voltmeter.
Voltmeter connected between R and Y.
so this is the connection. So you already know that the machines that you already know XT XQ calculation, XT calculation. So one concept is that XD is equal to the positive positive sequence impedance. So that method will be applied here. So for that we are
ఇది ఆర్
across the voltage.
RY.
We are applying the voltage to RY. Here I already told you
పైన వాడుకోవచ్చు కింద వాడుకోవచ్చు అని కావాలంటే మనం ఇది తీసి ఏడైనా కనెక్ట్ చేసుకోవచ్చు ఇది తీసి ఏడైనా కనెక్ట్ చేసుకోవచ్చు అక్కడ ఇంకా నీట్గా అర్థమవుతుంది.
So for positive sequence, we initially set some voltage, some minimum voltage. Some 10 volt I applied here, showing some current. Just rotate the machine by manually. So for particularly one position, current gets maximum. So for that exact that point, you are injecting the number of voltage up to the 1.3 ampere of current. You can take the number of reading voltage and currents and find out the across the RY phase. You can find out the X1 value. Again similarly for YB phase X2 value. Again similar by B and R phase X3 value. Total all the three values are taken from the here and finally get the average value of the positive sequence.
Okay, so we need to rotate them for different values.
Yes, different
Voltage will be same.
Oh yeah, because we don't know the exact position, which position is the maximum current is taken from here.
No.
So for that condition only, I just initially set some voltage, some 10 voltage for the reference initially, and find out the position for the maximum current. After that, you can put it 0. So then you can start with the 0. So minimum voltage 5, 10, 15, 20, whatever the voltage you can apply. So this is the method for we are using for positive sequence. In case you have some method for find out the XT positive negative sequence, you can apply it here. This one, sir. Check it, sir. Everything available.
మోటార్ రొటేట్ చేసి మ్యాక్సిమం కరెంట్ ఎంతో
XD కనుక్కున్నప్పుడు XD positive sequence.
So okay, sir. So number of voltage you can apply it here. So until the rate of 1.3 ampere maximum current.
సో మ్యాక్సిమం కరెంట్ ఈజ్ 1.3 ఆంపియర్.
So water rate they applied placed here. 1.3 is the maximum.
అంటే 10 వోల్ట్స్ 15 వోల్ట్స్ అలా పెట్టి దాన్ని రొటేట్ చేసుకుంటాం. 1.29
So on certain condition, some position, some other position, motor position will be slipped because it will try to energize the coil. So at the time, the current automatically reduces the minimum condition. Okay, so another combination you can use here. So this is the positive sequence method. So negative sequence similarly for same configuration. This voltage is here, and meter will be directly connected to the open phase, and the voltmeter connected across.
R and B phases.
So voltage will be applied for these two here only. So again, for this condition, machine will be running maximum rated speed here. So just switch on the MCB, press the run button here, and where is the pot here? So the maximum we already designed maximum 50 is we are already programmed here. So once you reach the maximum 50 will become the corresponding speed here 1500. Afterwards, just same way, just apply the voltage and takes the voltage and current here. So,
1.3.
corresponding voltage here. All are single phase voltage only. Phase voltage only we have taken. So similarly, start voltage. Stop. Similarly for zero sequence also there. So
ఒకటేనా
Positive sequence completed, negative sequence completed, now zero sequence.
ఇప్పుడు వచ్చిన మెటీరియల్ దేనిపైన ఉంది సార్ ఈ కిట్ మీదైనా
కనెక్షన్ చూడండి సార్.
Circuit diagram.
okay.
Right.
So here starting winding, or phase starting winding, I give the phase supply here. So finishing winding to be series here. Again series.
This one you had taken starting winding, this is ending winding.
Oh yes sir. This is starting ending.
Right.
This end will be start here. This end will be start
Started,
here. This end will be final neutral.
So that circuit will be closed.
So after again run the machine of 50 years. After they are apply same apply the voltage. Maximum 1.3 ampere current. Cross verify with the fault analysis. Again I remove all the connections for second experiment. Same applications. Now we are studying the sequence impedance. Second one is fault analysis. Okay. So fault analysis I told sequence impedance only using the AC supply. Fault analysis we are using the DC supply for field excitation. Connected here. So going to study with the LG fault now. So LG fault means we here the ground is the neutral point is ground here.
పీడిఎఫ్ ఓడా మీరు పంపించి
So here we show
PDF.
some notes. This is the LG formula. This is the LG for active circuit. I told now create the star configuration here. So the neutral point considers a ground point here, or otherwise you can use extra ground also. There is no problem. So you can connect the ground here. There is not a problem here. So the resistance neutral will be now this. Here we connected it. So current limit resistance one end going to the ammeter another end going to the R phase here. Resistance another end will be going to the ground here. The circuit is closed. So in this case we are take the current here, but measuring the voltages must be needed. Here you mentioned take the line to line voltage from the non-using fault terminals. So based on this note only we can get the correct value. If suppose you are measuring across this phase voltage, there will be a formula maybe your final output will be not matched with this current value. So in this manual we are mentioning clearly these things are mentioned. For LG fault here we mentioned now. Again you see it. This is the LL fault here. Short circuit end phase and neutral. No? This is short circuit end of phase in here. Here you are creating the LL fault means LL fault you are creating the R and Y means here take out the R is the first phase. So as for that 120 degree phase shift, R is first, Y is second, D is third. Na? Likewise you are creating LL fault across the R and Y means R is your reference for take out the voltage for the take here. Here the example also we are given here. If short circuit pair is YB, then takes the voltage is Y. Which phase is starting by 0, 120 na? If across R and Y, the reference is R. R is 0, Y is 120 degree. Okay, very clear, na, sir?
Yes.
Because of reference, two phase only we have taken. This is the reference. With respect to the 0 reference, this should be in a 120 degree phase shift. So this is your reference. You taken the voltage, voltmeter is connected across this R and the neutral. Your short phase will be R and B, sub R and Y. Suppose you have create a short phase with respect to R and B, means you should take your reference will be B only, because of again with comparison with R and B means B is the first, R is second one only it came. Okay, so the voltmeter connected there, sharp pieces and neutral. So run the machine. And later once you place the unit now, you just give the neutral earth point for the both new panel as well as motor. So because of here see there is no voltage, the meter showing some current now. This is the fault value. This is not our actual current.
Where we have to give the earth, sir?
What whatever this point, this earth
Okay,
point
okay.
and motor. If you give the exactly earth for the motor now, this will be showing 0. We already checked these things. Okay. Right now earth is not connected. That's why showing some minimum current at 0 condition. There is no voltage here, but showing some current now. That's it. Yeah, but after time it will be going to 0. You give once you give the earth means it will automatically going 0. I am sure about that. We are tested in my office.
Okay.
So afterwards, just applying the voltage for here. This is for field excitation. There is no consideration for how much voltage is not there. Our reference is here. Our reference is only the alternator current as well as field excitation current. Field excitation current is maximum 0.6 ampere. 0.6 ampere for designing this motor. So this is 1.3 is our right now. So number of reading up to 1.3 we have taken care. This is the LG foil. Okay. LG foil this is. Okay. Similarly, LL short. Only thing this is the connector here. So voltmeter already is connected in the same way. We are creating a short LL fault across R and Y. So voltmeter I already told it is which one is starting, that will be connected there in the voltmeter. So R is started, R voltmeter connected here. Yeah, again same 1.3 ampere.
Every time you have to 1.3.
It is maximum. So until we afterwards it will go some limitations there. So 1.3 we take it.
For sequence impedance, no need to short these two wires. For
Oh,
finding fault analysis only, we have to short.
Yes, if you short this wire, that is not your circuit is closed, because your field winding in sequence mode, your field winding to be shorted. So, okay, at the time you should shorten it here, openly shorted. And here the shorted one end is going to ammeter another end to current limiting resistor, current limiting resistor another end to ground. WC. So same representation. WLG, this one is WLG.
Last one is 3-phase to ground.
WLG. any one voltage, sir. Because all phases are shorted, na, take any one voltage. Here, all three phases are shorted. Okay. So for
Triple L, this is G, sir.
Oh, yes, sir. This one, sir. Second news. Questions another end is neutral.
Right.
This is the voltmeter. So run the machine. Apply the voltage here. It's taking very lesser current of here, flowing current, the fault current will be very lesser, but the field excitation will just reach this maximum value, 0.6.
Field excitation maximum value is 0.6,
0.6
sir.
only, sir, 0.6. So 0.6 here, the current is half of the current will be showing because of all the phases are shorted here. So our reference is only the current, either 1.3 ampere or field excitation, field excitation. So this is the triple LC, sir. So these are all the things we are going to study here. You can mathematically, whatever the values taken from these 2 meters, you can implement the formulas. I can cross verify with the current value, measured value, and as well as the mathematical values.